You said that you've been searching, silencing your mind, trying to be patient but running